Hello guys and welcome. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to record your screen using Nvidia shadowplay. So in my opinion, Nvidia shadowplay is probably the best software out there in terms of screen recording, whether that's gaming or just whether you want to record your desktop. It probably does the best quality and it's very easy to use. So to do this, first of all, you want to actually download it. So head over to Google and type in Nvidia shadowplay, enter, and then click on the first link. And then click download, and then download. I've already downloaded it, so I can't really download it again, but just follow the steps, make sure you got it downloaded, and the icon should look like this. So if we open it up, you might have to set up an account. That shouldn't take too long either. I think you can use your Facebook account, I'm not too sure, but yeah, it's not too hard to set up an account, and then you'll be taken to this screen. So once you've done that, to actually start your recording, you want to click on this little triangle here, and then as you can see, you got a few different options. You can also stream from this software. If you're into streaming, it could be a good option to stream. I don't stream, so I sort of stay away from that, but here we go. Just click on the record button and then head over to settings. Then there's a lot of options here. You can either use their preset settings or you can use your custom settings. I go for custom. I always record in 1080p. I feel like that's probably the best option. The bitrate, you can also choose your bitrate. The higher the bitrate, the higher the quality of the video. So you want to get that as high as possible, really, unless you've got a slow computer that can't actually handle that, or like rendering times. It will affect your rendering time, so the higher the bitrate, the longer it is going to take to render your video, so bear that in mind also. I mean, you can choose from frame rate, 60, 30 FPS. I'll always go with 60 again, just to try to get that higher quality of video, and that's pretty much it for the settings. And there we go, just save them. And then to actually find out where your video is gonna be saved once you finish recording, go over to the settings here and then go to recordings, and then you can just choose where your video is gonna go. So I've saved mine to documents and then video shadowplay. There we go. You can choose where you want to save yours. You can also go do as I said, keyboard shortcuts. So to start and stop recording, at the moment it's Alt F9 and then Alt F9 to start and stop recording, but you can change that to whatever you want. Again, with streaming, same sort of thing. You can also screenshot with Alt F1. So they've got a lot of options on here if you want to just play around with them. But like I said, to actually start recording, go start F9, and there you go. Recording has started. You'll see a little recording icon in the bottom right corner. It might be in that. I think you can choose actually where to put it. I think there's an option somewhere to do that, but mine's in the bottom right corner, so I'm guessing yours will be as well. But there we go. Let's hit Alt F9 to stop again. Alt F9, and there we go. Recording has been saved, and that's pretty much it for a Nvidia shadowplay. So there we go. It's not a very complicated software to use, but I just thought I'd give you guys a quick tutorial if you were wondering about it. But there we go. Hope you guys did enjoy. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.